Hello, welcome to Easy English Steps. Today, we'll learn English with the story of Mahatma Gandhi, India's great leader. His life was full of courage and big challenges. Listen to the story, practice new phrases, and improve your English. Let's start. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869 in Porbandar, India. His real name was Mohandas Gandhi. As a boy, he was shy but honest. His family wanted him to be a lawyer, so he went to London to study law. There, he learned about fairness and truth. In 1893, Gandhi moved to South Africa to work. He saw unfair treatment of Indians and black people. Once, he was thrown off a train for sitting in a whites-only seat. This hurt him deeply. He decided to fight for justice, but without violence. He called this idea satyagraha, which means truth and peaceful resistance. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India. India was ruled by the British, and people were poor and unhappy. Gandhi led peaceful protests. He marched, fasted, and asked people to stop buying British goods. One big march, the Salt March in 1930, showed the world India's strength. Gandhi walked 240 miles to make salt from the sea, breaking British laws. Thousands joined him. But Gandhi faced big hurdles. The British put him in jail many times. Some Indians didn't like his ideas and fought him. He was attacked for wanting peace between Hindus and Muslims. Life was hard, but Gandhi never gave up. In 1947, India became free from British rule. Gandhi's peaceful fight inspired the world. Sadly, in 1948, Gandhi was killed by a man who disagreed with him. He was 78. Today, people remember Gandhi as the father of India. His ideas of peace and truth still guide leaders, like in recent 2025 discussions about nonviolence in global protests. Gandhi's story shows that one person can change the world with a kind heart. English practice section. Let's practice phrases from the story. Repeat after me. Fight for justice. Example: Gandhi fought for justice in South Africa. Use it to talk about standing up for what's right. Never give up example. Gandhi never gave up on freedom. Use it to show determination. Live with truth. Example: he lived with truth every day. Use it to describe honesty. Try this. Make sentences with these phrases. For example, I fight for justice in my school. She never gives up on her dreams. We live with truth in our hearts. That's today's lesson on Easy English Steps. Mahatma Gandhi's story teaches us to be brave and honest. Practice these phrases and share your sentences in the comments. Subscribe for more stories and see you next time.